If you guys are trying to get a cinematic look with your iPhone, I think I might have the perfect product for you guys. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let me introduce to you guys the Sandmarc Pro leather case and anamorphic lens with a 1.55 times squeeze. If you're one of those people who are trying to level up their iPhone filmmaking, then this combination might be the best fit for you. And the prices aren't too bad, with the phone case being at $49.99 and the anamorphic lens coming in at $169.99, which relatively speaking isn't too bad for an anamorphic lens. Before we get into any kind of demonstrations, I want to go ahead and talk about the key features that come with the case and the lens. Let's start off with the phone case. This is Sandmarc's Pro leather model. It's made out of full grain leather, comes with MagSafe included, has a solid aluminum camera protection bump, metal buttons, and also is lined with a nice soft felt. This thing makes for a really nice everyday phone case. Now let's go over the lens. The one that I have here has a squeeze factor of 1.55 times. What's the benefit to squeezing your footage like this? Well, that depends on what kind of look you're trying to go for. In most cases, people use spherical lenses. This allows for nice and sharp images and spherical bokeh, whereas an anamorphic lens adds a cylindrical element that looks oval in shape. That's what gives you the squeeze. In order to get that iconic cinematic look, this is where you need to de-squeeze your footage. Now, while Sandmarc recommends you use the Filmic Pro app, you can easily de-squeeze your footage in post. I've linked below down in the description some videos to walk you through that. But once you do this, you're introduced to an amazing cinematic look, awesome lens flares, and just something that'll make you stand apart from everyone else. Let's go ahead and take a look at some footage that I took at Disneyland, in which I gave my iPhone and the lens a run for its money. I'll say that the lens ran great, but you truly are bottlenecked by your filming environment. In this test, I wanted to maximize the lens flares while seeing how much of a cinematic effect this lens adds to it. There were some sections where the lens flares performed really great, but there were others where it didn't, and it was just too much. So when filming, I recommend that you concentrate on one light source. Lens flares, in my opinion, are a tasteful addition to your footage and shouldn't overwhelm everything else. But as far as ease of use, this lens and case combination are second to none. I had a lot of fun experimenting to see what kind of shots would look good with this package, but I can definitely use some practice. And also, the patina of the leather case wore very well within a month of use. And as you can see, the blue case here is the one that I wore for a month, and the brown one I didn't touch at all. A solid long-term experiment. So for the final verdict, my ratings are buy at full price, try it out, wait for a sale, or completely pass. My rating for the phone case, I'm gonna go ahead and recommend you buy this thing at full price. Not only are you gonna get a full grain leather case, if you opt out of using the lenses with this, you're gonna get really awesome protection for your existing camera lens on your phone. And for 50 bucks, I think that just brings tremendous value, and the protection that the camera cover offers with the ability to attach lenses, I think this is a buy at full price 100%. And as far as the Sandmarc cinematic lenses go, I recommend you try these things out. But I do have to preface this recommendation because this lens is not for everybody. I don't recommend this lens to anybody who just does not want to learn the whole squeeze factor and all that when it comes to anamorphic lenses. But for those of you guys who are looking for this type of lens, I recommend that you try this one out. I truly can't see any other kind of lens that you would want to use besides an anamorphic lens. But with this, you can easily just pop it on and then just edit it in post and then make it look like a really awesome video. It comes with a lifetime warranty, so you're covered there, and you get 30 days to try it out as long as you return it in its original packaging. I think that's a pretty good deal, if I'm being honest. If you guys want to take a look at a video where I rigged out my iPhone, go ahead and check this video out. That was a really fun video that I made not too long ago, and I think you'll enjoy it. But with that being said, this is David serving you a little side of tech, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you guys.